What's up, dude? My digital camera's hiding somewhere, so I figured it'd be easier to use my laptop and make a video. Yeah, here are a bunch of parts. I'll give you some options. First of all, Chris King wheels. Chris King hubs, black. 355 rims. Good shape. Over here. Tires good shape. You have your option if you want the XT cranks like these, or the XT cranks like these. These are just polished. The only difference is someone's polished them to make them look a little shinier, but there's no logo. So if you want the logo, let me know. X9 derailleur, good shape, no scratches. XT front derailleur. XT cassette. X9 shifters. Let's see. And lastly, the frame. Let's check. Here's this thing. Chris King headset. Nomad. DHX air shock. Linkage. Frame. I'll do back a little bit. Let's do. Here's the whole frame. Here's the side. Close up on damages. The only thing I can find are a little bit of cable rub, which you might be able to see right there, a little spot right there. Nothing on this side. Looks good. And there is a cable rub right there. I don't know if you can't even see it, but it's right there. And where is it? Right there. There's also a small scratch right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I know it's small. Yeah, let me know if you want any other views. Santa Cruz. Yeah, Hammerschmidt compatible. We don't want one, but yeah. I think it's in pretty good shape. So yeah, I'll get it built up for you tomorrow, and yeah, I'll talk to you via email. See ya.